Hi, Disney friends. Gina Mitchak, your Disney destination specialist with iBook Travel for You. And today on my YouTube channel, we're going to ask, well, I booked my own Disney vacation. Now what do I do? Well, I always book my own Disney vacations because I am my own travel agent. Ha ha ha. But what do you do if you book your own Disney vacation? Then what? Do you reach out to me and ask me for help? Do you go about your merry way and enjoy planning and reading all the blogs and deciphering what's true versus what's not true about Disney these days? Trust me, I've heard a lot of false rumors out there. You got to be careful where you get your information from. Let's just say that. So, what do you do when you booked your own Disney trip? Well, you can call a travel agent, such as myself, and transfer that booking over to me. You do have a grace period from the time you put your $200 deposit down with Disney. I believe it's 30 days, but you have to do it before you make your final payment. Once you transfer that booking over to me, you can take a deep breath and you can relax because I'm here for you. I will be there from the start to the middle to the end of your trip, answering all your questions. A month later, you get home and realize you haven't downloaded your PhotoPass photos, you can call me and I could talk you through it. In the middle of your trip, you want to know where my favorite steak restaurant is in Disney, you can text me. That's what I'm there for. At the beginning of your trip, you want to know, where should I make dining reservations? Where's the best place to eat with the princesses? Where can I see Vanellope von Schweetz? Can I even see her anymore? The answer is no, because they replaced her in Epcot. Anyway, you will know that if you work with a Disney travel professional. So that's what you have to do. You aren't going to be able to call me and tell me that you booked your trip through a big box store or online or yourself through Walt Disney World, because I'm not your travel agent at that point. I have to be mindful that all of my resources, education, and information in terms of tips and tricks, they are all for my clients. Although I would love nothing more than to just freely share all of the Disney knowledge with everyone, I have to be respectful of the fact that some folks did choose to work with me, and part of that was because of my education and knowledge. We do have to go through trainings. I had to start off with trainings before I even became a Disney destination specialist, and I still have to do annual trainings. When I'm lucky enough to get invited to an agent education program, that's money that I have to spend to go to trainings on site, which happen to be at Disney or Universal. But I paid to learn all about the ins and outs of Disney and planning a vacation there. So with that being said, I can't freely give out my advice to folks who haven't booked through me. So what would you do? You can always turn that over to me and I will be there to help you from, like I said, from start to finish. And how much does all of that cost to transfer your booking over to me and then work with me on your Disney trip? Well, the big fat answer is zero. It will cost you nothing. If you want more information on why it costs you nothing, you can watch my previous YouTube video on why you should use a travel advisor. So with that, I really appreciate you considering me to book your next Disney or Universal vacation. There is a link in the comments for you to click so that you can schedule a complimentary phone call to talk to me and go over the planning process. If you liked this and you want more Disney tips, please follow, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as catch me over on Facebook and Instagram, and like and share my posts. So thanks very much and have a magical day.